Hi, it's Dr. Mary, and I know that my journey is a little bit different from many of yours. At the age of 26, after 3 rounds of drug-induced menopause for the treatment of my endometriosis, my body naturally entered menopause. I later healed myself and came out of menopause at the age of 35, which the doctor said was impossible and unheard of. I'm now 42, and I am perimenopausal. Through all of this, I know it's very different than the typical woman, but I've learned so many lessons about my body and about menarche and menopause, and I want to share a couple of those with you today. So number one, the greatest lesson that I've learned through all of this, through menarche, through menopause, coming out of menopause, going now back into perimenopause, is that my body is my greatest gift. Growing up, I was always taught that my period was the curse. So menarche was not a momentous occasion in a good way, right? I was taught that it was women's curse because of Eve's sins, and I was going to suffer from when I started my cycles to when they finally ended. So when I went into menopause for the first time, it really felt like freedom to me because I was still at 26 and that mentality of your period is a curse. When I came out of menopause at 35, I completely changed my viewpoint. I realized what a gift my periods had been, and I started looking forward to them because our monthly cycle, our woman's blood, is our ability to give birth, which is something that nobody else can do, right? Men can't do that. So as women, it's really one of our greatest gifts. So you might think that I'm very sad as I'm back in perimenopause again, but no. To me, the difference between menarche and menopause is the difference in phases in your life. Menarche really marks the entry into your maiden period of your life, right? And then later in your 20s and 30s, it's your mother period of life. As you get into perimenopause and menopause, it's really about entering the queen period of your life. It's about learning to be your own sovereign, learning to be the own ruler of your life. You don't have to answer your kids or your spouse anymore. It's about you really transforming yourself and entering a new phase of your life where you can just be you. And that, ladies, is my advice. If you're in perimenopause, as I am right now, and you're transitioning into your menopausal years, my biggest advice is listen to your body. It is your greatest messenger. And be true to you. Yes, you may have hot flashes. Yes, you may have mood swings. Yes, you may have night sweats. It's okay. It is perfectly normal. That is just your body's wake-up call to you to let you know that you're about to enter a very important time of your life, your queen years. And I encourage you to use these physical signs as a way to really view it as an opportunity. What do you want to create with the rest of your life? You've got 30, 40, 50, 60 years ahead of you. What do you want to create? It's your time to be queen. It's Dr. Mary, from my heart to yours. Enter your perimenopausal and menopausal years with a fire and a passion for life, for doing all of the things that you haven't let yourself do up to now. I give you permission, and I ask you to do